You can follow this strategy to check quality score of your keywords. So in your Google Ads account dashboard, what you have to do is to move on to your campaign for which you want to see. You can even go from the left side as well, but you can follow this style, and when you move on over here, so you may see that your keywords are being loaded. While it's get loaded, so you may see this is a particular keyword, and in the status, when you just move your cursor over there, you may see the quality score is 5 by 10. So this is how you can see the quality score for any query. You may see that my expected click-through rate is average, ad relevance is above average, and the landing page experience is below average. So this is designed by having a division of all of these factors, and the main part is relevancy. Ad relevancy, landing page relevancy, and keyword relevancy plays a crucial role in deciding your quality score. So this is how you can see. There is another way, and that is you can even simply move on to your keywords by going into your audience, keywords and content, and simply move on to the keywords, and you may see a similar page like this over here. For instance, if I go back at home page or like this, I can simply move on to my keywords, and I can check over here as well my quality score, and you may see over here my quality score. So for instance, if I want to check for another term, I can look around for this as well, and so you may see that the quality score is not yet decided because there are not enough impressions or click to accurately determine this keyword's quality score. So there may be scenarios like this where the quality score is not yet designed, so we need some clicks to get it. And for instance, for this, you may see over here that for this the quality score is 1 by 10, which is below average. So you can see this is how we can check quality score. So people may be asking which quality score is good. So ideally recommend 6 and above is acceptable quality score, but higher the better.